Hello, this is Mr. Muhammad. Today you are going to have the third part of our revision for the whole course of grade 6, video 3, okay? Today we are going to answer test 4, okay? Test 4, okay? Answer the following questions. Okay, number 1, choose the correct answer between brackets, okay? We have 300 gram, 1, okay, and half gram, okay? So, should be written this way, 300 to what? When we need to convert a larger one into a smaller one, okay, we should multiply by what? By 1,000, okay, as we've learned it, okay? From kilogram into gram, 1,000. So when you multiply 1 and half by 1,000, you get what? You get 1,500, okay? We need to cancel the 0, okay? So multiply by what? Divide by 100, okay? By 100, okay? So we've got 3 to 15, okay? Can we simplify anymore? Yes, mister, by dividing by 3, okay? Both numbers, okay, are in table 3, okay? 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, okay? Number 1, 1, 2, 5. Then we move to the other questions. Okay, letter B, cubic centimeter is a unit of measuring what? Measuring the volume, okay? Either cubic centimeter or cubic decimeter or cubic meter, all those are used to measure the volume, okay? Then we move to letter C, the range. How can we get the range? You remember, okay? The maximum value or the greatest value, okay? Subtractive of what? Of the minimum or the smaller one, okay? Minimum or the smallest one, okay? 9 and what? 9 and, okay? 9 and what? 9 and 3, okay? So 9 minus 3, we get what? 9 minus 3, we get what? We get 6, okay? So our range is what? 6, okay? Greatest value minus the smallest one, we get value, or maximum minus minimum. Then we move to letter D. A cube of edge length 5 centimeters. Its volume will be what? When we are asked to get the volume of a cube, okay, we multiply side by side by side. 5 by 5 by 5. 5 by 5 by 5, we get what? We get 125. Using your calculator, you get 125. Okay, we get 125. Then move to the second question, complete. If the numbers 6, 8, 3, and x are proportional. Proportional means that the product of extremes equal the product of means, okay? And those numbers should be written down each other. 6 over 8, as we've learned it, equal what? Equal what? Equal 3 over x. Should be done this way, okay? How can we get the value of x? X equal, we're making a cross. 8 times 3 over what? 8 times 3 over 6, okay? But 24 over 6, which is what? Which is 4, okay? Which is 4. The x equal 4, okay? The product of means, those one, 3 times 8, 24, okay? And the value of x is 4, okay? 6 times 4 is what? It's 24, okay? The product of means equals the product of extremes. That's why they are called proportional, okay? Don't forget doing this if you're asked to get the value of x. You move to letter B. If 78 is the greatest one, okay, and the range is 39, okay, then the smallest individual is what? If we're asked to get the range, okay, maximum minus minimum, okay, the maximum is what? Is 78, which is the greatest one, okay, plus minimum. Do you have the minimum one? No, we don't have. We're asked to get it. Plus minimum, min, okay, or smallest one, over 2. All of this equal what? Equal what? 39, okay? Is it easy? Okay. Here we have a fraction, okay? The other one, we need to have a fraction as well. So this number is put over 1. And now we have two fractions, okay? Means and extremes, okay? 1 by this expression equal this expression. 78 plus minimum equal 2 times 39 equal what? Equal 78. Okay? Do you remember this? Plus goes to the other side with what? With different sign, minus. يبقى 78 goes to the other side with different sign, يبقى 78. 78 minus 78 equal what? Equal 0. Equal what? Equal 0. So minimum value is what? Is 0, okay? Is 0, okay? 78 plus 0, okay, equal 78 over 2 equal 39, okay? Is it clear? Then we move to letter C, okay? If the tallness of a pupil in the picture 12, okay, and his real tallness is 1 meter, okay. Here we have, what do we have? We have a drawing scale, okay. We have two cases, okay. The first one we are giving drawing scale, so we're making a cross. The other one we are giving what? We're giving drawing length and the real length. In this case, we do them like a ratio, okay. DL to RL. DL is what? Is 12 centimeter, okay, like a ratio. And RL, real length, is what? It's 1 meter, okay. Here we should convert this one, okay, this meter into centimeter, okay. A larger one into a smaller one, okay. When you convert from meter to centimeter, multiply by what? By 100. Remember this, okay. So we have 12 centimeter, remains the same. And 1.2 by 100 using calculator equal 120 centimeter. Both sides we have centimeter, okay. 12 to 120, okay. Divided by, both numbers are in table 12, okay. So they can be divided by 12, better and faster. Divided by 12, we get 1. 120 divided by 12, we get 10, okay. So the drawing length, drawing scale is what? Is 1 to 10, okay. Then we move to letter D. If one of the angles of parallelogram is right, then this one is called what? Either square or rectangle. Why, mister? Because the four angles of a square, either square or rectangle, are right angle. Either square, mister, or rectangle, both right. Or rectangle, they both have a four right angle, okay? But they differ in the adjacent side. Then we move to the third question. The number of pupils in the 6th grade is 260, okay? If the ratio, okay, between boys to girls is what, mister? Is 6 to 7, okay? Here we're asked to get the number of boys to number of girls, okay? Should be written as we've learned before. Okay, we're writing how? We have boys, okay, 2 girls, okay, and then we write sum, okay, and girl, that's okay, and then we write sum, okay, excuse me, we have a bad writing, a bad handwriting, okay, 2 girls, okay, and we have the sum, okay. Boys is what? Boys is, okay, boys is 6, girls is 7, okay, and the sum of them is 260, okay. But firstly, we got to add 6 plus 7, which is 13, okay, and 260 is written down, okay, by making a cross, okay. Boys equal what? 260 by 6 over 13, okay, and the other one 260 by 7, okay? Okay, by 7 over 13, okay? When we multiply using calculator 260 by 6 over 13, we get 120. When you multiply 260 by 7 over 13, we get 240, okay? This is for boys and the other one for girls, okay? Then we move to letter B. The piece of mobile phone before discount, okay? Before discount and after discount. So we should write before discount, and after discount, okay? To be clearly and easily answered. As we've learned before, okay? So before discount and after, okay? We have before, discount, and after. This one is discount, okay? D discount, okay? Before discount is what? Before discount should write 100. Do you remember this? 100 should be written over here, okay? What do we have? We have the price mobile phone before discount is 240. The 240 should be written down, okay? Why is this? Should be written down 240. Okay. 2. What else do we have? We have the we have what? We have the percentage of discount, which is 20%. That should be written over here, okay? Don't forget the percentage, okay, is written down, okay? And the numbers percentage is written up, and the numbers are written down, okay? So the price after discount, are we going to add or subtract? We're going to subtract, okay? So 100 minus 80 minus 20, you get 80, okay? You get 80, okay? So the percentage, okay, after is 80, okay? Because we take 20% of the price. We won't pay this sum. Here we're asked to get what? It's a price after discount. يبقى هنا we're asked to get this one, okay? يبقى we're making what? We're making a cross as we've learned. 80, okay? 80 by what? 80 by 240, okay? Over what? Over 100. When you multiply using calculator 80 by 240 over 100, what would we get? We get what? We get 19. We get 192. We get 192. Okay, so the price after discount is what? Is 192. Okay. If we'd love, this one is what? Is 192. If we'd love to get the sum or the money of the discount, okay, we subtract those ones and we get what? We get 48. Okay. Then we move to the other one. We'll move to letter B. Okay, I'm sorry, fourth questions, letter A. A water tap is leaking, okay? 20 liters per hour in 5 hours. 20 liters in 5 hours, okay? Here we're asked to get the rate, okay? It's easy to get the rate, okay? As we've learned it, okay, we divide the first one by the second one, okay? And the rate, okay, it's an easy one, okay? Equal, what is the first number? First number for liters, okay? The other one for time, hours. 20 over 4, is it 4? Over 5. And we get what? We get 4 liter an hour. 4 liter an hour, okay? It's 5 to be 20 over 5, okay? Then we move to the other questions. Letter B, a juice case in the shape of cuboid. Its base is a square of a side length, okay? Base is a square of a side length means The base is length and width. The length and the width they are equal. Length and the width they are equal, okay? So we have 6 for the length and 6 for the width, okay? Length and width, okay? Why are they the same number? Because we have a square. The square, all its sides are equal in length, okay? So the length and the width are 6 by 6, okay? And then we have the height, okay? And we are asked to get what? To get the volume of what cuboid. The volume of cuboid is what? Length by width by height. Here, the first two ones, we have a square. They are in a square. So they are equal, okay? 6 by 6 by 15. By using calculator, when you multiply 6 times 6 by 15, okay? What should we get? Using calculator. We get what? We get 500. 540. We get 540, okay? 540 centimeter cubed, okay? Don't forget this. Then we move to the other questions. The capacity of a bottle is 3/4, okay, liter, okay? It's filled with alcohol. He is wanted to be put this amount in what? To put this amount in a small bottle, So firstly, where we get, okay, the volume of this. How, mister? We're about to learn this. Okay. Here we have 3/4 liters and we have 25 centimeter cubed. Okay. The capacity of a bottle is the volume of a bottle is 3/4 liters. Okay. And the volume of each one of the small ones is 25 centimeter cubed. Okay. We should have the same unit. Okay. In order to get the numbers of a small box. Okay. So we have 3/4, which is 0.75, okay? If you do it using calculator, you get 0.75, okay? 0.75 liter, okay? Over to 25 centimeter cubed, okay? We've learned better to convert a larger into a smaller, okay? From liter, okay, we have said before that liter and centimeter cubed are the same unit, okay? Are the same measure. Centimeter cubed and milliliter are the same as well. When you convert from a liter to centimeter cubed, multiply by what? By 1,000. Okay, do you remember this? Okay, 0.75 by 1,000, we get 750 using your calculator over 25. Using calculator to divide this one, 750 over 750. Over 25, we get what? We get 30 bottles. We get what? We get 30 bottles, okay? It's easily answered, okay? Easily answered, but we should have the same unit, okay? By converting a larger one into a smaller one, okay? Then we move to the fifth question, letter B. And here we're asked to get what? To get the, as we've learned before, to get the center of the set, okay? How can we get the center of the set? Do you remember? Okay, the guide is what? The guide, mister, is the first two number, okay? The first two number up, okay? Those ones, okay, are the guide, okay? The first two number, okay? Center of the set, okay? The first two number, okay? We're gonna add the first two number 20, okay, 30. Okay, the first number are the guide, okay, over 2. 20 plus 30, 50, 50 over 2 equal to 25, okay. So the first number we have 25, okay. So how can the other values, okay, is brought by the length. Remember this? Length of the set. How can we get the length of the set? By helping of the first two numbers, mister. They are the guides. By subtracting them, okay? At the first we add them, divide them over 2. At the second we subtract them. 30 minus 20, okay? We get what? We get 10. So we're increasing by 10. How, mister? I'm gonna show you, okay? Let's do it in the other part of the board. The first value, okay, we've got is what? Is 25, okay? So we have 25, okay? How about the other one? We increased 10. So we increase, okay, to get the other value, okay? How can we get the other value? By subtracting the first two ones, okay? So we increase 10, plus 10, okay? 35. Plus 10, 45. Plus 10, 55, okay? And so on, okay? And we are taking the values down, the values of frequency down, okay? 25 and 15. 35 and what? And 30. Then we move to 45 and what? And 40. 55 and what? And 15, okay? Now we have these values, okay? As we were learning before, okay? This one is called sets. And the one that is called frequency, okay? Do you remember this? Set is what? Set is down and frequency is up. Okay, when we draw, don't forget this. Okay, set is down and what's up? Okay, frequency is up, mister. Okay. The set, this is called set, this is called frequency. Set is what? Set is down. And frequency is what? Frequency is up, mister. Okay. We can do it this way. Okay. It's not good writing, okay, but we try, okay, as much as we can. Okay, so down is what? Down is sets, okay, and what's up is frequency, okay, frequency, okay, okay. Sets is down. If I start by what? You start by 10, 20, okay. Would have a problem in writing. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on, okay. What's up? Frequency is up, okay. 5, 15, okay, 5, 15, 5, 15. I'm sorry, okay, it should be written 5, 15, okay, 20, 25, could be written this way, okay, 25, 35, 45, and 50, okay, 45, and so on, okay. So we start by what? We start by what? By the first two ones, 25 and 15. Where's 25? 25 over here, okay, and 15 is over here, okay. So, okay, then we move to the other one, 35 and 30. 35 between those ones, 35 and what? 30 over here. 35 and, okay, and 30, okay, shouldn't be over here, okay. The other one, 45 and 40, okay. 45, okay, 45 and, okay, and 40 should be over here, okay. 45 and 40, and the last one, 55 and 15. 55 and, is it 15? Yes, 55. Should write 55 as well. 55 and what? 55 and 15, okay, over here. Okay, then we draw our curve this way, okay. This is our frequency curve which we are asked to get, okay. And we have number one. Number one, we get number one through the schedule we do have as it shows on the screen, through this one, okay. What is the number of students who record less than 40, okay? Less than 40, okay. Here 40, okay. What is less than 40? 20. 20 plus what? 20 plus what? 20 plus 30, they are 50, okay, equal, they are 50, okay. If you are asked to get less than or equal, we're taking 40 as well, okay? But we don't have equal, so we won't take, okay, we won't take 40. We only take those two ones, okay, which is 15 and, I'm sorry, no, we have made wrong over here, okay? We're taking the value down, okay? Here we're taking, okay, less than 40, the value down, okay? Number we're studying about 15 plus 15 plus 30, okay? 15 plus 30, which is 45, okay? 45, okay? Then you move to the other page, okay? This page is left as a homework for you to be discussed, inshallah, in the next live session. My best wishes for you, okay? Bye-bye.